Hi guys. Today we decided to get a little ride in with the scooter. I can't believe it's March and look at the weather we're having. Like it's absolutely gorgeous. And the other day we got we didn't buy the whole package, but we just got the mic too. So today we're testing out, see what she sounds like. We're just recording on board. I haven't really read up too much on what options you actually get from just buying just the mic without the receiver. Um, but anyway, we're gonna enjoy this weather. Do a little ride with the scooter. And of course, we have the X3 on the handlebars. Oh, look at this. Oh, here's a little goose here. I don't want to drive off into the water. That's kind of weird, just one Canada goose all by himself. There's normally quite a few Canadian geese down here. The river is nice and calm. And all these rocks and everything along the shoreline here, this is all new. This was done last summer. Very nice. Yeah, they've done a great job in this area here. And on the weekend there, we were flying around this park over here. And there's an ice rink going in just past those people there. I guess that probably won't be operational till next year. I don't think we're going to have any more snow. Not this year. Okay. Oh, it's so beautiful here. So nice. You know, it's funny. I haven't taken this scooter out in about 3 months. And it was probably 5 months ago when I actually charged it. And she still has a charge. She still has a charge today. That's unbelievable. 5 months. It's rush hour. There's a nice little Mexican place there, El Mariachi there. And the food is absolutely delicious. I've had the chimichanga from there and I've had the burrito. Really good food. Can't believe I've had a charge on this for 5 months. Unbelievable. Whoa. Oh, wow. The camera just fell off the bike here. Wow. Wow, that's terrible. That's terrible. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep her running and just hold on to it, I guess. Wow. Geez, that was a mount that I got quite a few months ago too. It's like a swivel mount. I'm not sure how, but it actually snapped right off. I mean, it's a little bit bumpy when you're riding this, but I didn't think it was that bumpy. Oh well, thank God she's a 360 camera, so doesn't matter how I'm holding the camera, she's still going to be recording. Okay, I think we're going to head back. Geez, that's really odd. I hope I didn't scratch the lens up on this camera. I love my X3. I use this X3 all the time. Anyways, guys, that was just a short run with the scooter today. It's absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, I just wanted to test out the sound on this new mic too. And of course, the X3 has just popped off the handlebar. Hi. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that little ride, and we'll catch you in the next one.